You need to find someone who witnessed an event years ago, maybe for a legal matter, maybe for closure, maybe to corroborate a story no one believes. The trail's gone cold, but witnesses are findable, even decades later. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and locating witnesses is one of our most common professional engagements. Here's how to start. Police reports and court records are your best starting point. If an incident generated any official report, the witness's name, address at the time, and sometimes their date of birth and phone number are in those records. Reports are public in most jurisdictions. You file a public records request with the agency that responded. Court testimony, if the matter ever went to trial, generates a transcript that names every witness. Civil and criminal trial transcripts are public records, often available through the clerk of court. Newspaper archives covered notable incidents, often interviewing or naming witnesses. Newspaper.com and ProQuest's historical archives go back over a century in many regions. If the witness was at a specific business or location at the time, the business sometimes still has records, employee schedules, customer logs, surveillance footage if it was recent enough. Even decades-old records can surface if you ask the right person. For witnesses to traffic accidents, the responding officer's narrative usually includes the witness's name and contact information. DMV records, while not always public, can sometimes confirm whether the person still has a license in the same state. The challenge with old witnesses is that 20 or 30 years have probably passed. Names change through marriage, addresses change repeatedly, and people move out of state. A professional skip trace specializes in exactly this challenge, taking a name from an old record and finding the person today through licensed databases. For professional skip tracing and witness location services, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping attorneys, investigators, and individuals find the people who saw what happened.